Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to create this exact same t-shirt design that you see on the screen right now. At first we download fonts, custom fonts from online, then we put some text and then create some shapes, and using some techniques we will design this exact same t-shirt design. So without any further delay, let's start it. At first I just simply open up Adobe Illustrator, and then to create a new project, or you may say create a new artboard, simply go to File, New, and this time I set width 4500 pixels and set height 5400 pixels. And in advanced options, I choose color mode CMYK color. Raster effect I choose 300 ppi, and previous mode and preview mode I select default, and finally I just simply hit on create. So our artboard is just created. In our next lecture we will start designing our t-shirt.